If you are focused on something important on your phone, and those Messenger chat bubbles keep popping up and distracting you, you might want to turn them off. To begin, open the Facebook Messenger app on your phone. Then tap on the three horizontal lines located in the bottom right corner. From the list of options, select Settings. Swipe up to scroll down, and locate the Preferences section. Then tap on Bubbles. You will see three options. By default, All Conversations Can Bubble is selected. You can choose Selected Conversations Can Bubble. Or to completely disable chat bubbles, select Nothing Can Bubble. From now on, all Messenger chat bubbles will be turned off, and you will no longer see them appear on your screen while using other apps. So that's how you can turn off chat bubbles on Facebook Messenger.